Students, we are solving chapter 4 NCERT exercise 4.3 question number 8. The question states that in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius, and this is your linear equation. F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus of 32. F means Fahrenheit and C means Celsius. So this is the equation, linear equation, which converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now these are the 5 parts. We have to answer all these parts. In the first part, draw the graph of the linear equation above. This is the linear equation using the Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for the y-axis. And if the temperature is 30 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So we have to find the temperature in Fahrenheit in the second part. Now come to the third part. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? And in the fourth part, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So we have to find the fourth part also. Then come to the fifth part. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? And if yes, find it. So we move further. We will draw a graph. So what we do, we take the horizontal axis, x-axis. This is your x-axis, and we have taken here Celsius. This is the vertical axis, y-axis. You can see this is your y-axis, and we have taken here Fahrenheit. You can see. Now here also scale on x-axis. 1 unit is equals to 10 degrees Celsius on x-axis. On y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 10 degree Fahrenheit. You can see 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50. Here also minus of 10, minus of 20, minus of 30, minus of 40. Now here on the vertical, positive of y, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Downwards on the vertical y-axis, we have minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. Now for the first case says we have to draw a graph. So we have prepared the horizontal axis, x-axis and vertical axis, y-axis, and we have taken the unit also on x-axis and y-axis. Now the formula is F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus of 32. So when we put C is equal to 0, that is Celsius is equal to 0 in this equation. So F will be equals to 9 upon 5 multiplied by 0 plus of 32. So when any number multiplied by 0, we get 0. So 0 plus 32 is 32. So F will be 32 when C is 0. Again, come to second, when Celsius is minus 15. So Fahrenheit will be, put C is equal to minus 15 in this formula. So you will get 9 upon 5 multiplied by minus 15 plus of 32. So 5 and minus 15 will be cancelled out, minus 3 times, and 9 into minus 3 is minus 27, and plus of 32, 32 minus 27 is 5. Now come to this third, when Celsius is minus 10 degree, okay, then Fahrenheit will be, put C is equal to minus 10 in this formula. So you will get 9 upon 5 multiplied by minus 10, minus 10 will be cancelled by 5, minus 2 times, okay. So you will get 9 multiplied by minus 2, you will get minus of 18, and plus 32 is there. So 32 minus 18 will give you 14. Now we will prepare a table like this for Fahrenheit and Celsius. So when Celsius is 0, Fahrenheit is 32. When Celsius is minus 15, Fahrenheit is 5. When Celsius is minus 10, Fahrenheit is 14. Now on plotting the ordered pairs, the ordered pairs are 0, 32, okay, minus 15, 5, minus 10, 14. On the graph, we have already plotted. I will tell you how to plot, and we will get a straight line. The name of the straight line is AB, you can see. Now what we do, first we plot these points 0, 32. X is 0, Y is 32. So whenever X is 0, X coordinate is 0, the point will lie on the Y axis. So here is your 0, 32. You can see 0, 32. The second point is minus 15, 5. So X is minus 15. So minus X comes on this side. This is your minus 10, this is your minus 20, and in the middle of it, that is middle of it, we will get here the point as minus 15 and 5. And this 5 is between 0 and 10. 5 is your Y coordinate, so this is your 5. It will lie between 0 and 10. Now come to this third point. You can see minus 10, 14. So minus 10, again you can see minus 10 is on this x-axis, that is x coordinate minus 10, and 14 is your this one. This is your 14, positive of y. So here the point will lie, okay. So this is your minus 10, 14. So when you join these points, that is 0, 32 and minus 15, 5 and minus 10, 14, you will get a straight line, you can see. And we have already named it as A and B, line AB, okay. Now see, now from the graph what we can find out. The second question says, you can see the second part, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So what we do, we will go to 30 degree Celsius here, and we will put a dotted line straight, okay. It will intersect this line AB at this point, and we will go perpendicular to the Y axis, and then we will get here the coordinate as 86 degree Fahrenheit. So we will get 86 Fahrenheit corresponding to 30 degree Celsius. Now come to the third part. See the third part. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So for 95 degree Fahrenheit, come here. This is your 90 degree Fahrenheit and 90 degree here and 100 degree Fahrenheit here. So 95 will be lie here, okay. This is your 95 degree Fahrenheit. So when we go perpendicular, this, it will intersect the line AB at this point, and again when we move perpendicular on the x-axis, we will intersect the x-axis at this point, which is your 35 degrees Celsius. So from the graph we have find out that 95 degree Fahrenheit is 35 degree Celsius. Now again come to the fourth part. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So we move to 0 degrees Celsius. So 0 degrees Celsius, you can see 0 degrees Celsius here and 0 degree. What will be the temperature in Fahrenheit? So comparing both 0 degree. So whenever x is 0, you will get y. So when we move here, we will get the point is here. So 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And then we come to from the graph we will solve the fifth part. What is the temperature numerically same for the Celsius and Fahrenheit? So this is the temperature, you can see. minus 40 degrees Celsius is numerically same to 40 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, we can prove it also numerically. In this way we can plot the points and we can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Thank you.